Welcome to InvestorWeb, the go-to resource for investors seeking insights and strategies for success. Here we explore more than just the ups and downs of markets. We delve into investment strategies, track market trends, and offer personal development tips tailored for savvy investors. Our mission is clear: to equip you with the knowledge and tools necessary to make informed decisions that not only grow your portfolio but also enrich your understanding of the financial world. Today we dive into 10 powerful mindset shifts that can transform your approach to investing and life. First on our list is embracing uncertainty. In the world of investing, certainty is a luxury seldom granted. The market thrives on unpredictability, constantly influenced by global events, economic shifts, and human behavior. It's a dance of numbers and expectations where the music never stops. Embracing this uncertainty rather than fearing it transforms your investment approach. It encourages flexibility, allowing you to adapt strategies as new information and conditions arise. Imagine a surfer skillfully riding the waves. They don't control the ocean, but they excel by adapting to the waves they're given. Similarly, investors who accept market volatility use it to their advantage, pivoting with the ebb and flow of financial tides. This mindset reduces anxiety about the unknown, as it shifts focus from trying to predict the future to navigating it effectively, whatever the weather. By accepting uncertainty, you prepare yourself to respond to any market condition. Shift number 2 focuses on the value of knowledge. In the bustling world of investments, it's easy to get fixated on the numbers that tick up and down like a heart monitor. Yet the true pulse of success often beats in the rhythm of learning. When you prioritize knowledge over immediate financial gain, you're investing in a foundation that can support sustainable success. Think of each investment as a chapter in your educational textbook. Whether it ends in profit or loss, there's always a valuable lesson tucked between the lines. These lessons, accumulated over time, build a reservoir of knowledge that equips you to make wiser choices and spot opportunities where others see none. Moreover, the focus on learning cultivates a mindset of curiosity and resilience. It transforms setbacks into setups for future triumphs, ensuring that you're not just reacting to the market, but understanding and anticipating its moves. When you focus on learning, earning typically follows. The third mindset shift is developing a long-term vision. When embarking on any investment journey, it's paramount to set your sights beyond the immediate horizon. Establishing long-term goals not only provides direction, but also serves as a beacon through the murky waters of market fluctuations. Consider this: while the daily ebb and flow of stock prices might capture headlines, it's the broader, sustained trends that truly shape the fortunes of steadfast investors. By focusing on long-term objectives, you're less likely to be swayed by transient dips and spikes that can lead to rash decisions. Moreover, aligning your investment strategy with these long-term goals involves a meticulous approach of patience and persistence. It's about understanding that the journey to significant returns is a marathon, not a sprint. This perspective helps in crafting a portfolio that not only withstands the tests of time, but also capitalizes on the compound growth that comes from long-term investments. Keep your eyes on the horizon, not just the waves at your feet. Next, let's talk about the critical role of risk management. In the world of investing, risk is an ever-present companion. However, with the right strategies, you can protect your investments and, importantly, your financial future. One fundamental approach is diversification. This means spreading your investments across various asset classes and industries. By not putting all your eggs in one basket, you effectively reduce the impact of a poor performance in any single investment. Another vital strategy is setting stop-loss orders. These are designed to limit an investor's loss on a security position. If the value of a stock falls to a certain level, the stop-loss order automatically sells it, thus preventing further loss. Regularly reviewing your portfolio's performance is also crucial. This habit helps you stay aligned with your long-term financial goals and make informed decisions based on the current market conditions. Effective risk management secures your investments and your peace of mind. Halfway through, we explore the power of patience. In the world of investing, patience isn't just a virtue, it's a strategic advantage. The temptation to jump on every fluctuating trend can be overwhelming, yet history has shown that those who can resist this urge often see the most rewarding outcomes. Take, for instance, the concept of compound interest, often hailed as the eighth wonder of the world. It requires nothing but the steady hand of time to transform modest investments into substantial nest eggs. Moreover, patience allows investors to ride out the volatility of markets. It provides the clarity to see beyond temporary downturns and recognize long-term potential. This calm approach helps in avoiding the pitfalls of emotional trading, which can lead to impulsive decisions and potentially severe financial losses. In essence, a patient investor doesn't simply wait. They observe, plan, and allow their investments the necessary time to mature and flourish. Remember, good things come to those who wait. Scene script. Shift number 6 is all about adaptability. In the dynamic realm of investing, the only constant is change. Markets evolve, new technologies emerge, and economic climates shift. Thus, the ability to adapt becomes a pivotal asset for any investor. It's not just about reacting to changes, but also anticipating them, allowing you to navigate through market volatilities with finesse. Consider adaptability as your strategic advantage. It empowers you to modify your investment strategies when the circumstances demand it, without losing sight of your long-term goals. Being adaptable means staying informed and ready to pivot, whether it's seizing a sudden opportunity or mitigating an unforeseen risk. Moreover, embracing adaptability encourages a mindset of continuous learning. It's about being open to new information, perspectives, and techniques that can refine and enhance your investment approach. This openness is crucial as it fosters innovation and resilience. Stay flexible and you stay ahead. Next, we focus on valuing investments correctly. When navigating the complex world of investments, it's crucial to distinguish between price and value. Price is what you pay. Value is what you get. Understanding this difference is essential for making informed investment decisions. Imagine walking into a market where two similar objects are on sale. One is priced low due to a temporary dip, while the other holds a steep price tag due to current hype. The savvy investor looks beyond these labels, assessing the intrinsic value of each item. They consider factors like longevity, potential for growth, and how it fits into their broader investment strategy. This approach requires a deep dive into the fundamentals of an asset, rather than making decisions based solely on the fluctuating numbers on a price tag. It's about looking at the bigger picture, understanding the true worth of an investment over time. True investors invest in value, not just price tags. Our 8th mindset shift addresses emotional discipline. The realm of investing is not just about numbers and forecasts. It's also a battlefield of emotions. Mastering this landscape requires a firm grip on one's emotional responses to market volatility. Emotional discipline is crucial in making rational investment decisions, thereby avoiding the common pitfalls of panic selling when the market dips or euphoric buying when it peaks. It's vital to understand that the market will have its ups and downs, but reacting hastily to these fluctuations can jeopardize long-term investment goals. To cultivate emotional discipline, start by setting clear, achievable investment goals. Establish a strategy and stick to it, regardless of the market's emotional pull. Implementing a well-thought-out plan helps in maintaining focus and avoiding impulsive decisions. Moreover, practicing mindfulness and staying informed can help you remain calm and collected. Understanding the reasons behind market movements allows you to view these changes more objectively and less personally. Master your emotions and you master your investments. Shift number 9 emphasizes networking. In the intricate tapestry of investment and industry, the threads that often lead to the most vibrant opportunities are those woven through personal connections and professional networks. Networking isn't merely about collecting contacts, it's about building meaningful relationships that can offer insights and open doors which might otherwise remain closed. Imagine a scenario where two investors are eyeing the same market trends, but one has a robust network. This networked investor frequently exchanges ideas with peers, learns from the experiences of others, and accesses nuanced information that isn't readily available in public forums or through solitary research. This gives them a distinct advantage, insights that are deeper, broader, and potentially more profitable. Moreover, networking can lead to partnerships and collaborations that combine different strengths and resources, creating new paths to success that might not be achievable alone. By sharing risks and rewards, these partnerships can transform individual limitations into collective triumphs. Expand your network to expand your possibilities. Finally, continuous improvement. In a world that never stops evolving, the best investors anchor themselves in the pursuit of growth. Continuous improvement isn't just a strategy, it's a mindset that separates the perennial learners from the stagnant. It's about being proactive in personal and professional development, constantly seeking new knowledge and skills. Imagine the market as an ever-changing puzzle. The pieces shift and new ones appear. Staying updated with the latest tools, techniques and developments isn't just useful, it's essential. It ensures that you can always see the big picture and fit the pieces together in the most efficient way. Think of your investment strategy as a fine wine. It should not only mature over time but also adapt and improve. This involves regular reflection on your decisions, outcomes and the processes that led there. It means being open to feedback and willing to make necessary adjustments. The best investors never stop learning. We've covered 10 transformative mindset shifts today. From embracing uncertainty to the power of patience, each shift is a stepping stone towards more astute investment decisions. Recognizing the importance of long-term vision, risk management, and emotional discipline sets a solid foundation. Moreover, adaptability, continuous improvement, and networking underline the dynamic nature of successful investing. Integrating these principles can significantly enhance your decision-making prowess and pave the way for success. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to InvestorWeb for more insights. Happy investing.